The Delta variant is nothing like the original virus. COVID-19 didn't really impact children, but Delta does. Texas pediatric ICUs are being overrun with young patients, and while Huntsville Hospital is not currently overwhelmed by young COVID patients, they currently have 2 in the pediatric unit. Our Nixon Norman tells us more about what everyone can do to keep the kids safe.
The 2 that we have here are very different ages. One's a teenager and one's less than a year old. And they're both COVID positive, both doing well.
Children under the age of 12 cannot currently get vaccinated, but there are things the rest of us can do to help protect the kids. CEO of Huntsville Hospital stressed the importance of getting vaccinated, but also of masking up.
Even though you've been vaccinated, you could still be a carrier and spread the disease to others, so make sure you wear your mask as well. We encourage people to do that. We want people to, be out and have fun. We're social creatures, but masks are proven to work. So we'd encourage everybody to continue to wear their mask when they can, or when they're in, larger crowds.
Dr. Fauci recently said he's hopeful these vaccines will get the full approval from the FDA soon, perhaps in a matter of weeks. These vaccines are currently under emergency use authorization, and that contributes to a lot of the hesitation we see when it comes to getting vaccinated against COVID.
Right now, we think there's probably 2 or 3 groups of people that are unvaccinated. There's a group that just don't believe in the vaccine. That's one group. There's a group that's hesitant because they're worried about getting issues from the vaccine. And then there's a group of people who are waiting for the, full FDA approval. So we think once that happens, that we will see a bump in the number of people getting the vaccine.
And although Doughty does not think there is a connection between approval and age, he did say that all 3 major companies producing COVID vaccines are working on getting them approved for younger folks.
I think that the full FDA approval and the age range are, they're not tied to each other. But all the companies are working on lowering the age or getting approval for a younger age for the vaccine.
Putting the Valley first, Nixon Norman, WZDX News.